Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn on recently active on Tinder for Android. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Tinder app on your Android device. Once you're in, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll see several navigation icons. Among these options, tap on Profile. This will take you to your personal profile page where you can manage various aspects of your Tinder account. Now that you're on your profile page, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice a gear icon sitting there which represents your settings menu. Go ahead and tap on this gear icon to access all of Tinder's configuration options. This is where you can customize how the app works and what information you choose to share with other users. Once the settings menu opens, you'll need to scroll down through the various options available. Take your time browsing through until you locate a section labeled Active Status. This feature is specifically designed to let other users know when you've been recently using the app, which can be helpful for showing that you're an active member of the Tinder community and potentially increase your chances of matching with others. When you find the active status section, you'll see an option underneath it that says Settings. Tap on the Settings option to dive deeper into the configuration for your activity visibility. This is where you'll be able to control exactly how your active status is displayed to other Tinder users. After tapping Settings, you'll be taken to a new screen where you can see an option that reads Show Recently Active Status. This feature, when enabled, allows other users to see a small indicator showing that you've been active on Tinder recently. It's a great way to let potential matches know you're actively using the app and more likely to respond to messages. Right beside the Show Recently Active Status text, you'll notice a toggle button. Simply tap on this toggle to switch it on. Once you do this, the button will change color or position to indicate that the feature is now active. This means other Tinder users will now be able to see when you've been recently active on the app, making you more visible and approachable to potential matches. And that's it. You've successfully enabled your recently active status on Tinder, making it easier for others to know when you're online and ready to connect. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.